You can build a house without a hammer, and you can build software without an environment. In this video, we will accomplish two tasks. First, we will install the actual Python interpreter, the brain that understands your code. Second, we will install VS Code, the text editor where we will write our code. I'm going to walk you through this step by step. Please watch carefully as there is one specific checkbox during installation that if missed will break everything. Let's get into it. First, let's check if you already have Python installed. Open your command prompt or terminal on Mac and type Python space -- version. If you see a version number like 3.12 or 3.13, you're good. But if you see an error saying Python is not recognized, or if you want to update to the latest version for this course, follow me. Open your browser and go to python.org. Click on Downloads. The website is smart. It will automatically detect if you are on Windows or Mac. Click on the big yellow button to download the Python Install Manager. Or you can get a standalone version by clicking on the yellow colored Python with the version number to download the latest version. As of late 2025, it's Python 3.14.2. Once the download completes, open the installer but do not click Install Now yet. Look at the bottom. Do you see the box that says Add Python.exe to path? You must check that box. If you don't, your computer won't know where Python is, and you won't be able to run code from the terminal later. Check the box. You can also check another box to use admin privileges when installing py.exe, then click Install. Let that finish. Once it says setup was successful, you can close it. Okay, the brain is installed. Let's verify if Python is installed or not by opening the command prompt once again and typing Python space -- version. You must see Python 3.14.2. You can also check the pip version by typing pip space -- version. Next, we need the tool to write the code. You could use Notepad, but that's like digging a tunnel with a spoon. We are proceeding with the Visual Studio Code. Go to code.visualstudio.com. It's free. It's built by Microsoft and it's the industry standard. Download the stable build for your OS. Let's open the installer. Keep clicking Next by accepting the agreement until the section where it says to select additional tasks. Stop right here to add some tasks. In this section, I recommend checking both boxes and proceeding with installation. Once installed, you can launch Visual Studio Code directly, but I want to show one last thing. Let's uncheck this box and hit Finish. Let's make a folder on the desktop and give it a name Python. If I right-click here, you will see an option Open with Code. This appeared because I checked option during installation, remember? It looks like this. It might look a bit scary, but don't worry. We only need to do one thing right now. Go to the left sidebar and click the extensions icon. It's the 4 squared icon. Search for Python. Click the one created by Microsoft. This extension provides IntelliSense, which basically means it helps color code our text and auto-completes our code so we don't make spelling mistakes. Click Install. You cannot see the install button here because I've already installed this extension on my machine. We're fully set up, but we need to verify that everything is talking to each other. Let's write your first line of code technically. Go to the Explorer, click the New File button, name it main.py. The .py tells the computer this is a Python file. Inside, type exactly this. Now look for the play button in the top right corner. Click it. A terminal window should pop up at the bottom. If you see Hello World printed here, congratulations, you just wrote and executed your first Python program. If you got an error, don't panic. Drop a comment below with the error message and I or someone from the community will help you fix it. Now that our environment is ready, the fun begins. In the next video, we are breaking down what exactly we just wrote, how variables work, and how to make the computer talk back to us. Thank you for watching.